In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page and start earning money from it in 2025. To get started, open up the Facebook app on your phone, but before you do anything else, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once you're in, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Scroll down and find the Pages option, then tap it. If you don't have a page yet, just hit Create. Next, pick Public Page so you can unlock the professional tools and have more control over your content and audience. Then tap Next and type in your page name. It could be your business name, your brand, or anything you want to be known for. Then pick a category that best fits what your page is about. For example, if you're a digital creator, choose that category. If you're sharing recipes, choose something like cooking or blogging. And once that's done, tap Create and give it a few seconds. After your page is created, you'll be prompted to start setting up properly. You'll want to add a bio that quickly describes what your page is about. Then upload a profile picture and a cover photo to make your page stand out. You can also invite some friends to like your page and start growing your audience right away. Next, head into the settings by tapping the three-dot menu on your page. Here you can add your contact information like your address, phone number, or email so people can easily reach you. Now don't forget to add an action button like a call now or send message button to make it easy for people to get in touch. Finally, to earn money, you'll need to start posting content regularly. Videos, posts, and anything your audience will love. Now keep in mind that you need to meet Facebook's eligibility requirements for monetization, which often include reaching a certain number of followers and engagement levels. Once you've got that covered, you can start earning money through things like in-stream ads or fun subscriptions. Now, you know how to create a Facebook page and get started on the path to making money from it.